This is Dawn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and today I'm going to be making chicken broccoli stir fry. We're going to need 1 pound of skinless boneless chicken breast, 1 teaspoon of salt, 4 cloves of garlic, a half a tablespoon of cornstarch, a half a cup of low sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 4 cups of broccoli florets, a third a cup of water, 1 teaspoon of crushed red peppers, 1.5 teaspoons of sesame seed oil, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, and for garnishing, green onions and toasted sesame seeds. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is cut our chicken into bite-sized pieces. I'm going to take my cut chicken and put it in a bowl. We're going to mince our 4 cloves of garlic. I'm going to put our garlic directly in the bowl with the chicken. We're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, our teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and our teaspoon of red crushed peppers. We're going to stir this together so everything's evenly coated. We're going to set this aside for 5 minutes. I'm going to take 4 cups of my frozen broccoli florets and put them into 1/3 cup boiling water. I'm going to let these heat for 5 minutes. While our broccoli is cooking, we're going to start our sauce. We're going to take our half a cup of low sodium soy sauce, add 1.5 teaspoons of sesame seed oil. I love the smell of sesame seed oil. And we're going to whisk in our half a tablespoon of cornstarch. Okay, now we're going to set this aside. Once our broccoli is done cooking, we're going to drain it and set it aside. We're going to heat a tablespoon of olive oil over medium-high heat. Now we're going to add our chicken. We're going to cook our chicken for 5 to 7 minutes. Make sure you stir it frequently. This is looking fantastic. I wish you could smell it. It smells so good. I'm going to let this cook for like another minute, and then we're going to remove the chicken from the pan. I'm going to remove my chicken from the pan and put my pan back onto the burner and add my broccoli. We're just going to let this cook for 2 minutes. I'm going to add my chicken back in. Mix this together. And we're going to pour in our sauce. Mix this together. We're going to let this cook for a couple of minutes. Dinner is served. Our chicken broccoli stir fry turned out magnificent. I garnished mine with green onions and sesame seeds, and I actually added egg rolls to our plate. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with me.